Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this class I will read about division by 25, 50 and 125. So first we'll start division by 25. Division of any number by 25. As you know that 25 is a factor of 100. So first what we have to do, let the number be x. Let a number x divided by 25. So x by 25, or I can write x by 25. So what is the shortcut? X into 4 I can do, and 25 into 4 I can do it, because you know that 25 is a factor of 100. So denominator I can make 100 by multiplying 4 with the numerator. So this is the shortcut. Numerator into 4 by 100. This is the shortcut. So any number if it is given, suppose 23 divided by 25 it is given. So what you have to do, this numerator, what is the numerator? 23, and what is the divisor or denominator? That is 25. So what I can do is 23 into 4 by 25 into 4. This is the process. 92 by 100. So by multiplying 4 on the numerator and the denominator we are making 100. So now it is easy to convert. 0.92 is the answer. 0.92 is the answer. So whenever you are doing any number, any 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number, and if it is divided by 25, simply one thing you have to do, that you have to multiply 4 with the dividend or numerator you can say. Okay, dividend or numerator. Thereafter you have to whatever the product is coming, last 2 digit you have to keep after the decimal. Suppose one more number will take 87 divided by 25. 87 divided by 25. So what I have to do? I have to multiply 4 here. 87 into 4. That is how much? 4 8 32, 320, and 4 7 28. That means 4 8 32, 320, and 4 7 28. That means 348. Where I have to keep decimal point, 2 digit I have to count as, because I know that whenever I am multiplying 4 with this, I have to multiply 4 with this, and the denominator or this divisor, it will turn to 100, and whenever it is 100, then how much? 2 digit we have to keep after decimal. So this is the rule of this division by 25. This is the method of division by 25. Suppose you are taking any 3-digit number, 237 divided by 25. So same thing you have to do. You have to multiply 4 here. So how much it will be? 4 to 800, and 4 3 120, 920, and 4 7 20, 948. That means 9.48 is the answer. Whenever you are multiplying 4 with 237, you will get 940. But 940, actual answer is 948 by 100, is because we are not going to multiply 4 only with the numerator, we have to multiply 4 with the denominator also. So by 100 it will become now 9.48. So whatever the product is coming, you have to keep 2 digit. You have to keep 2 digit after the decimal. This is the way to solve division, any number division by any number divided by 25. You can take the screenshot also. 4 digit and 5 digit number I will explain. So let us see 4 digit and 5 digit number. This is 2 for 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, and 5 digit. Same method is 2 for all the digit. And remember, division by 11 and division by 12 to 19, that one later I will discuss it, because that will be little lengthy. So first you have to learn this. So 25 and 50 and 125, that one we have to learn first. Okay. So any 4 digit number, suppose 2359 divided by 25. The same thing, what you have to do, you have to multiply 4 here. So 4 2 are 8,000. Sorry, 4 9 36, 6, 3 year, 4 5 30, 4 5 20 23, then 2 4 3 12, 12 to 14, and 1 here, 4 2 8 1 9. So what you have to do, you have to keep the decimal point here. 9436 coming means 94.36. Always 2 digit must be after decimal whenever you are doing this. In 5 digit number you will take, suppose 53894 divided by 25. Same thing you have to do. 4 you have to multiply first. 4 4 4 4 16, 1 4 9 36, 37, 3 4 8 32, 35, again 3 4 3 12, 12 3 15, 1 here, 4 5 20 21. So again 2 digit you have to keep after decimal. That means 2155.76. 2155.76. This is all about 25. Thereafter we move to 50. See here, first you have to multiply 4 with this number, numerator or the dividend. Thereafter 2 digit you have to keep after decimal. Product I am getting 4 into 2359 is equals 9436. So 2 digit you have to count from the end digit 6 and 3. Thereafter you have to put decimal. Here also what I have done, 4 into 53894, and thereafter the product is 215576. 6 and 7 I have counted from the end digit, and thereafter I have to put decimal here, 2 digit after decimal. Then thereafter division by any number with by 50. Division of any number by 50. You know that 50 is also a factor of 100. So here we have to change between the Sanskrit name of division, that is Vyavakarana. Here 50 any number, whatever what happened, any number divided by 50, so it is given that x by 50. So I can multiply 2 in the numerator as well as I can multiply 2 in the denominator. That means 2x by 100, 2 times numerator by 100. So the shortcut what it is? The shortcut for 50 what it is? The number into 2, the number of the numerator or dividend, whatever you can take into 2 divided by 100. So this is the shortcut. Now what we have to do, see here, suppose it is given 37 by 50. So what I have to do, I have to multiply 2. I have to multiply 2 here. That means how much it is? 74. I have to put decimal. 2 digit I have to count and I have to put decimal. It's because whenever you are multiplying 37 by 50, suppose, so 37 into 2 you are doing, and thereafter 50 into 2 you are doing. That means 74 by 100. That's why that is 0.74. So all number will be like this. This is the explanation why we are putting the formula. This is the explanation. But directly you have to use the shortcut. Suppose it is given that 78 divided by 50. So now what you have to do, into 2. That means 156. 2 digit you have to count. Here you have to put the decimal. 1.56. This is 2 digit. You can take the screenshot also. You have to multiply 2. In case of 25, what you have done? You have multiplied 4, but in case of 50, you have to multiply 2. You have to multiply 2 with this number, or the, you can say numerator or the dividend. Okay. Now, next 3 digit and 4 digit you will see. 5 digit also, same method you have to use. Suppose it is given 784 divided by 50. 784 you have to multiply 2. 2 4 8 2 8 16, 1 is 2 7 41 15. So here you have to put the decimal 15.68. As because the denominator is 100, we have to keep 2 digit after decimal. That means whatever the product is coming, I have multiplied 2 with 784. The product is 1568. I have to keep 2 digit after decimal. So last 2 digit I will count and I have to put the decimal. Now any 4 digit number, 2597 divided by, sorry, divided by 50. Now you have to multiply 2 7 14, 1 2 9 18 1 19, again 1 2 5 10 1 11, 2 2 4 1 5. So 51.94 is the answer. 51.94 is the answer. Even if 5 digit number also given, so suppose 78493 divided by 50. Same formula you have to use. You have to multiply 2 here. 2 3 6 2 9 18 1 2 4 8 1 9 2 8 16 2 7 41 15. Now you have to count. Answer is 1569.86. 1569.86. This is all about division of any number by 50. So in case of 25, what you have done? You have multiplied 4 and divided by 100. In case of 50, what you have to do? You have to multiply by 2 and you have to divide by 100. Clear? Now we will go to 125. Division by 125. 125. So 125 is a factor of 1000. 125 into 8 and numerator into 8. That means here 8, but here you have to divide by 1000. As because 125 is greater than 100 and it is a factor of 1000, so you have to multiply 8 and you have to divide by 1000. See any 3 digit numbers or 2 digit numbers, suppose 57 divided by 125. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 8, 8 7 56, then 5 8 5 40 45. The only difference is that here you have to keep 3 digits. As because you are dividing with 1000, you have to keep 3 digits after decimal. Keep 3 digits after decimal. As because this is 125 and the denominator will become 1000. Clear? Any 3 digit number, suppose 573 divided by 125 into 8, you have to do 83 24 2 87 56 58 5 85 40 45 4.584. 3 digit you have to keep after decimal. Is because 125 you have to keep 3 digit. Any 4 digit number, 9345 divided by 125. Same formula, you have to multiply 8 with this. 8 5 40 means here 4 8 4 32 32 and 4 36 3 8 3 24 and 3 27. So 2 8 9 72 and 2 74. Now you have to keep 3 digit after decimal, so 74.760 is your answer. Or any 5 digit number, suppose you are doing 89437 divided by 125. Same method, you have to multiply 8. You have to multiply 8. Now what you have to do? 8 7 56. 8 7 56. So 5 8 3 24 and 5 29. Here 2 8 4 32 and 2 34 3 8 9 72 and 3 75 7 here. So 8 7 56 and 7 63. 3 digit you have to count. Here you have to put decimal. So 635.496. This is the way. So whenever you are multiplying or dividing with 25, you have to multiply 4 divided by 100. Whenever you are doing division by 50, so that time you have to multiply 2 and that number will be divided by 100. And whenever you are doing with 125, that time you have to multiply 8 and you have to divide with 1000. That's why in 25 we are keeping 3 digit after decimal, and whereas 25 and 50, division by 25 and 50, we have to keep 2 digit after decimal. That one you have to keep in mind. So this is all about division by 25, 50 and 125. I hope you all will understand this, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching.